Hey, Dr. Ferguson coming to you on the Passion Cam. Hope everybody's doing wonderful today. You know, I had a different experience this morning that I just was going to share. You know, I woke up this morning and my joints were sore, my shoulders were sore, my elbow was sore, my ankles were sore, my lower back was sore. I never experienced anything like that before, and so and I got to thinking, you know, over the last 6 months I've been pretty slack in my exercise regimen. So needless to say, I am going to be back on the stick doing my exercise regimen every day. Very, very important. As you get a little younger in life, it's important that you do your daily exercise. Now, at age 25, you have more elastic tissue than you're going to have any time in your life, and after that, it's going to be going downhill. So for those of you who might be getting up in age a little bit, and along with myself, you got to have a regimen, and you need to make it important. Make it important, something you're going to do at least 3 to 5 times a week for at least 20 minutes. Now, work your way up to an hour. Hour would be better, but at least 20 minutes. You want to get your heart rate up and keep it up for at least 20 minutes. How do you figure that out? Take 220, subtract your age, and that will be your maximum heart rate, and then try to do 80% of that. So that's the number you want to shoot for. You want to be able to get that number for approximately 20 minutes. So you do maybe 5 minutes warming up, get to that heart rate of keeping it up for 20 minutes, and then cool down for maybe 5 minutes or so. But work your way up to that. Don't start out with that. Start out with, 2 minutes. Start out with 5 minutes, then 10 minutes, then 15 minutes, and work your way up. Don't just jump right into it. Always get your health care providers involved, because if your health issues are going on, and that will be important for them to help guide you along that way. But I couldn't encourage you enough that I had an experience today that obviously identified I was getting a little older, and I didn't really like it. I didn't really like waking up and having soreness in those different joints. So I'm back on my exercise regimen. I do it every day. Roll out of bed when I wake up in the morning. You want to do something you like, something you're going to enjoy, because if you don't like it, it's going to be harder to do that. But you got to make a decision that you're going to do that, do it on a daily basis, and I think you'll be all the better for it. On that note, be blessed and have a wonderful day.